When you access your NorthNet course, you are taken to your course homepage. All courses look slightly different, but the basic layout and functionality are always the same. You will generally find introductory information about your course at the top, and if you scroll down, you will find your course modules. Click the name of a module to expand it and view its contents. To expand all the modules, click Open All. To close them, click Close All. This makes navigating the homepage faster and easier. There is also a navigation bar on the left-hand side of the screen. If you can't see it, click the green icon in the top left-hand corner to make it visible. This allows you to navigate quickly and easily between the different sections of your course, even when they are all expanded. There is also a breadcrumb trail at the top of your screen. If you get lost, you can use it to go back a step to the module you are working in, or the top of your course homepage. For more information about learning online, including details of how to use NorthNet to communicate with your tutor and other learners, click the link to our Learning Online course, which you can find near the top of your course homepage. This will take you to another NorthNet course, which will open in a separate tab in your browser.